So today we have this pink keyboard here. It has hot-swappable shafts, so you can take out the keys and replace them. It has symphony lighting, so it goes around with the audio you have connected to your computer, and it's available for multiple devices such as computers, laptops, and many more. And it's problematic free, so let's go ahead and try it out. So here's the keyboard out of the box. It says you have slain an enemy, and it's in a nice pink and reddish color here. And also does make a very clicky noise. Very nice, satisfying. So we have 4 extra shafts here, some keycap changers, 2 extra keycaps, and a cord here. So let's go ahead and try it out. And since I do have the keyboard connected using the USB here, you do have to switch it to a 24 gig wireless so that you are able to type on the computer. So here when you click on the keyboard, it makes very clicky noises, very satisfying, and it glows up rainbow. And here we have a setting, so you can have it wired to your computer, you can have it wireless or Bluetooth. So now here it also comes with 2 little tools to be able to pull off the buttons. So all you have to do is just put it around the button like so and pull it off. And you can change the keycaps to the ones it comes with, or you can to any of your custom keycaps. So let's go ahead and test it out.